Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily and technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the music, my friends. Bitcoin is above these $36,000 levels. It's a good thing, good thing, good thing. It is currently retraced a little bit, and we are looking pretty healthy, We are seeing some support around these $36,000 levels. So, yes, it's a great thing, So, what we want to see on Bitcoin in order for it to continue to look healthy, we want to see it hold these $36,000 levels, and tomorrow we want to see it push higher than these $37,000 levels. Boom, that's Bitcoin. Let's get straight into Dogelon Mars. Down 3.18%. Pretty dope. Alright, we are seeing a little bit of buying pressure now today. In order for it to be the most bullish, we want to see it push up, close above these 8.6 levels. Alright, we want to see it close above these 8.6 levels, overbearing previous resistance. Okay, if it doesn't do that, then it's not going to look that bullish, because we have broken previous support, and we very well could come back down a little bit lower. Let's get straight into what we need to watch for. So, those are the 8.6 levels, and this is our previous support and resistance lines over here. So, this is these are the ranges we need to watch. Right at the top range, we got these 7.2 levels. The bottom range, we got this 6.5 level. Okay, these are the ranges we need to watch coming forward into this next week, because of this and this. So, if we do decide to break these 770s to the lower side, we will be heading back down to these 720s, which is completely fine. But if we show strong buying pressure on the top of this rectangle, it's a good buying opportunity. If it breaks through it, it's a good holding opportunity, because we could get a better price in lower. So, it's a really cool thing, really good thing. Now, if you look at this, this looks very, very similar to what's happening in the overall chart right now. Came up, spiked, is putting back down here. Now, what we want to see, the best thing we can see is this starts showing some support, come back up to this 8.7 level, come back down, create a double bottom, one here, and then it moves higher. That'll be the best case scenario in this overall market. Volume is tapering down, however. We did see it thicken here, which means buyers are really stepping in. They don't want it lower than these 5s. It's a really good thing. Yeah, pretty much daily update is to HODL. We don't have confirmation to average in yet. You got to stay patient. You got to have patience. Continue checking in every single day. Definitely worth the 7 minutes you watch these videos, because one day soon we're gonna have confirmation, and then getting in will be a nice opportunity. However, right now it's just about having patience and letting your money work for you, my friends. Go have a good time. Crypto billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.